Operation Lifesaver is a national organization, nonprofit organization supported by all the railroads, whose purpose is to educate the public about how to be safe around railroads. And that involves highway crossings as well as pedestrians around railroads. We try to get the word out that it's never a good idea to try to beat the train. You'll always lose. So obey crossing signals. The gates are down if the lights are flashing. It's not worth trying to save a few minutes to try to go around the gates to beat the train.